Good morning. I'm Amanda Morrall with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. And this is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news that positive retail sales data out of the US spurred a bit of a recovery in stock markets overnight. With the exception of the NASDAQ, US indices all rebounded from their weekend slump. The Dow rose just over 120 points to 12,972, with the S&P rising over 4 points to 1,374. U.S. retail sales increased 0.8% after rising 1.0% in February. Some economists were predicting only a 0.3% gain in retail sales, so the news is being treated as a sign of positive economic recovery. Ongoing concerns about Spanish debt levels, meanwhile, are causing EU companies to repatriate funds in large amounts, and it's now a drag on the US dollar, which fell against the euro last night. Oil prices also fell. Spain's admission that it has most likely slid into another recession, its second since 2009, hasn't helped. The news fed another rise in 10-year government bond yields, which broke the 6% mark. It's believed the yields will continue rising to 7%, a red flag for Spain's ability to service its debt costs unless the European Central Bank returns to bond buying mode. There are reports of a financial intervention as early as next month. Meanwhile, Germany and U.S. 10-year bond yields fell both by a couple of basis points. Also, the World Bank has a new president. The 25-member board selected Korean-born health expert Jim Yong Kim. Unlike other elections at the bank, this decision was not unanimous. Kim, who's 52, was chosen over Nigeria's well-respected finance minister, with broad support coming from Washington's allies in Western Europe, Japan, and Canada. And a happy ending for an unlucky Christchurch red zone couple who had the misfortune of having their home hit by liquefaction not once, but 3 times. The couple won $5.5 million on the weekend lotto, and here's the best part of their story. They pinned the winning ticket on their bed the night before after placing it in a Ziploc bag, just in case they were hit with liquefaction for a 4th time. Looks like their luck has changed. I'm Amanda Morrall, and that was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.